Hi dear Leo, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is 7 days, 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Leo Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 12th of October. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Okay, we'll take a break after this, my love. Overall energy for Leo people for this week from Oshos and Tarot. We have the lovers. So, Leo, you guys have to figure out the real meaning of love. For most of us, lovers represents romantic love. Uh, we often feel like if somebody is going to be by our side and if they are going to love us so much and if we are going to love them so much, our life is going to be so beautiful. We don't understand the real meaning of true love. True love is unconditional. Even if somebody loves you back or they don't love you back or they are doing their own thing, though they don't care about you, if you can possess the same kind of love towards them unconditionally, you can just give them. That is the true meaning of true love. Not like, oh my god, they used me for 10 years and they threw me in the garbage. If you have resentment, anger, expectations, transactions, if I'm going to give something in return, then they should give something, they should return me. Otherwise, it's not love. Then all of us, 99.9% of us, are taking the meaning of love in a totally different way. Even the love of our parents is conditional. They wanted they wanted us so that they can fulfill their desires to have kids, or so that they want us to take care of them in the old age. We consider mother's love as very unconditional love. It is for most of us, it is, but still there is this energy of unconditional love. That is true love. Even if the other person is killing us, if you have that capacity, if you have that much love for something or someone, then that is true love, and then that is lovers. So the overall energy here, the kind of love that you're expecting from something or someone is not the true love. First of all, you have to be the unconditional loving energy from your side, so that you can attract that love in your life from actually every area of your life, from everyone and everything. Lovers all is not always romantic love only. Wow, I explained too much. Let's see what we have. Let me do my asana. Padmasana. Let's see what we have for you guys for this week on a day-to-day basis, Leo. What we have? Sixth, the miser. Leo, you are too much stuck on the idea of having so much money in your life that nobody is going to bother you or nothing is going to bother you. And still, it's making you feel very sad and depressed from inside. Even if you are getting a lot of money, even if you are having a lot of materialistic things around you, you are feeling empty, you are feeling miserable. And the more you are going to be focus on only on materialistic gains or only on money and luxuries, the more it's going to make you feel miserable from inside. It's like an empty thing. It's like you're running behind something, some kind of illusion. Yep. Seventh, we have beyond illusion. So you will not be able to see things, people, or situations for what they are and who they are if you are not going to connect with your intuitive energies. Hmm? See, you have the capacity to see beyond illusions, to see through people, to know what they want and how they are wanted from you, and what how people keeps how people are envious of you or jealous of you, how people are pretending that they're your friends or something, but they're not. You have the capacity to see beyond illusions and understand all of these things. But for that, you have to connect with your intuitive energies, you have to connect with your intuition. Okay, so connect with your intuition. If your intuition is telling you something is off or something is not well, it's not. Don't ignore your intuition, don't ignore your intuitive power. Leo people are supremely intuitive energies. They can sense it. So all you have to do is connect with your intuitive energies, and you will be able to see beyond illusions, and you will be able to see the truth and clarity in front of you. So we have 6, 7, 8. We have the suppression. Something is bothering you, Leo. Something is bothering you, but you are not going to say it, or you are not going to express it. You are just going to feel like, okay, if I'm going to express it, if I'm going to say anything about it, people are going to make fun of me, or they will not be able to understand me. You don't have to make other people understand what you're going through. All you have to do is you have to just express it, let it come out. And there are many ways to do that. You can write it down until you feel good about it. You can like sit in front of mirror and you can talk to yourself for hours about this. You can punch a pillow, you can cry in a pillow, you can shout in a pillow. These are all exercises that we did in Osho. And I remember these things helps a lot, I'm telling you. So instead of suppressing something that's bothering you, try to let it come out in a proper way. You can take help from a therapist or a healer or somebody who can listen to you properly and honestly. Or simply, I told you 2 3 ways to do that, or meditate on your heart chakra. But when we are very angry or sad or depressed, we can't even meditate. That's a problem. So you can take help from Ho'oponopono in that case. Okay, 6, 7, 8. Ninth, we have compromise. See, do not lose, I repeat, do not lose your dignity for something or someone that's not worth it. This compromising energy that you are planning to have towards something or someone is only going to work out if that person is a deserving candidate to have this kind of compromising kind of energy from your side. If somebody or something doesn't deserve it, this compromise or this sacrifice of yours, you don't have to do it. Simple. So make sure that whatever you are trying to keep here, whether it's a connection or a project or a job or whatever it is, make sure it's going to love you back, it's going to give you back. If you are compromising or sacrificing something, make sure you are going to get something good in return. Here, it's important for you guys to understand who or what should be there in your life and who or what should not. Okay, it's a subjective thing, compromise, right? It's different for different people, but try to not to lose your dignity and your own self-worth while doing all of this. 6, 7, 8, 9. 10th, we have the rebel. So Leo people are already very rebellious. I don't have to tell them this, but just a gentle reminder, honey. If you want to achieve something that other people are not able to understand, especially your friends and family and people around you, like immediate close family members or something, you have to take a stand for yourself. Nobody, I repeat, no one on this planet Earth or beyond planet Earth is going to help you until unless you are going to help yourself, Leo. You guys have to take the first step from your side. You guys have to break the chains from your side. Otherwise, you will never be able to get it. You will never be able to get rid of this conditioning or these people trying to fit you into a box kind of energy. You guys have to do it for yourself. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11th, we have trust. So trust the process, trust the divine, but most importantly, trust yourself enough, Leo, that you can do it. You can achieve something. So whatever you are trying to achieve here, whatever you are trying to create here, give it your full energy, full effort, full attention. If you are doing something in bits and parts and you're not even trusting the process, you're not even trusting yourself, you're not even trusting that you will be able to achieve this thing, then guess what, you will not be able to achieve that thing. I'm not telling you to blindly trust everything and everyone and jump into a pit hole or something. I'm trying to make you understand that if you love something, if you want to achieve something, have the trust and the faith that you can. Trust on yourself, and then let the universe do its job. Trust the divine. Then whenever it is supposed to happen, it will happen. If not, you are going to get a life changing lesson, and with experience you are going to get somewhere good in your life. Nothing is a waste of time, effort, or energy. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Everything gives us lessons or blessings, but we should have the capacity to understand, we should have the awareness to understand these lessons and blessings. That's a important point here. Okay, 12th of October, we have the going with the flow. So instead of trying to resist the flow, instead of trying to keep things the way they are for the rest of your life, try to just go with the flow. Try not to control or get fixated, or try not to, go against few things that you cannot change or control in your life. All of us have certain things in our life that we think we should never change, but until unless we are going to change them, or until unless we are going to let it change our lives, we will never be able to grow. We are blocking our own blessings, we are blocking our own growth. That is very important to understand. Yeah. Okay, let's see what is the guidance for you guys for this week, Leo. Clinging to the past. Leo, what is wrong? I was just telling you that we feel like we should keep certain things the way they are for the rest of our lives, and it's not possible. So the more you're going to cling to the past, whether it's a happy past or bad past or something horrible or something really good, it's going to be difficult for you to grow in your life as a soul, as a person. Plus, you will never be able to get the blessings that are actually meant for you. Again, this is the same message. You yourself is blocking your own blessings and your own growth by clinging to certain people, situations, or things that are dead and buried. That's not there anymore. Maybe the people are still here, but the memories, the past is gone. And the past is in the past for a very, very valid reason, Leo. Try to understand the reason here. Try to understand the why. I keep on saying this to all of you guys. Understand the why of everything, and your life is going to be sorted so much. You can thank me later. Okay, cool. So, yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.